Next up, on the spot for Phalanx, we need to mark 10 enemies while in the castle using a spotter scope. This is simple enough. Head across to active duty, tactical, and grab yourself a spotter scope that we'll be taking with us into the game. Okay, there we go. We spawned at the castle. This is perfect, though I don't have the item that I need. Okay, so with spotter scope in hand, let's get to the castle and get these enemies spotted. So I'm on the very wrong side of the map, so I'll mark the castle and head across there. I am in the castle area, it counted, so I'll spot these two. Perfect. That's 4 out of 10, and we'll head to the roof of the castle, so we can probably spot people here too. So I'll climb up into the tower, and we'll get to spotting some people inside. So there we go. Spotting the rest of the 10. That should be it. There we go. All right, on the spot, mission complete. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.